Welcome to Anubhav Trainings. In this session, we'll learn about AMDP and SAP ABAP, what it is, when to use it, when to avoid it, and how to choose the right tool for better SAP HANA performance. Let's get started. AMDP allows ABAP applications to execute database procedures using SQLScript directly on SAP HANA. The key idea is simple. Process data where it lives, in the database. This can reduce data transfer between ABAP and HANA and improve performance for suitable workloads. Use AMDP when your SAP HANA requirement involves complex calculations, large volumes of data, or advanced SQLScript logic. For example, AMDP is useful for aggregations, rankings, window functions, complex joins, temporary tables, and multi-step calculations. It keeps processing close to the database, reduces data movement to ABAP, and delivers better performance for heavy data processing scenarios. However, do not use AMDP for simple data retrieval. If a basic Open SQL query or CDs view can meet the requirement, AMDP would only add unnecessary complexity. Use Open SQL for simple selects, single table reads, and straightforward conditions. Use CDs views for reusable data models, joins, associations, and data exposure. Quick rule: AMDP for heavy lifting, Open SQL and CDs views for everyday needs. Remember the rule: Open SQL for simple data retrieval, CDs views for reusable data modeling, RAP and ABAP for transactional logic, and AMDP for heavy database processing. Good data modeling, set-based processing, and performance measurement are the real keys to building efficient SAP solutions. To conclude, AMDP is a powerful choice for complex calculations, large datasets, and advanced SQLScript logic in SAP HANA. But remember, always choose the right tool for the right requirement. Use Open SQL and CDs views for simpler and reusable data needs. Make smarter SAP choices and boost your performance with Anubhav Trainings. Learn SAP, led tomorrow.